The important information in this problem are first the salary. $60,000 is what he earns, which is the total the things are based off of. And the other is he received a raise, and the raise is based on a percentage, and it's a percentage of the total earned. So on my line diagram, I drew a line from 0 to 100%. The total is $60,000 at the top, above 100%. The 6% raise is a very small part of 100%, so I drew it way down at the end here, little line there, 6%, drew my scoopy, and 6% is the part of his salary that he earned as a raise. So that is a piece that's actually going to be added on afterward. When you earn a raise, you're earning more than what you did originally before that raise. But we need to find out what that 6% is, and that's why I have X up here. This will stand for the money that represents that 6%. The question, what is Tom's new salary, we can now answer based on the information that we've built in our diagram. My diagram is still at the top here, and there are two different ways you can solve this problem. One would be to focus first on the 6%. If that's the part that he's going to earn that much more, we can find 6% of 60,000, and that will give us the value of X that we're looking for up above. The ratio, the 6%, what the 6% represents. The multiplier is 0.06 multiplied by the 60,000 is $3,600. And if that is X, that is representing that 6% raise. Not the new salary, but the raise. So now we need to add that on to the 60,000 that he earns currently, and when the raise is added, it's 63,600. That's different than the other stories. The other stories, there was a part out of the 100%, and the rest we were looking for. This one, there's this part of the total salary, but it's what we want to add on to because it's an increase, not something that's only a part of the total, and we're looking for the rest, or it's something that's added on because it's over 100%, 6% added on to the 100%. So there's really another way to be able to solve this. So on the right side here, I am showing you 106%. On my diagram, I added that. It was not on there before, but I drew a line out here further. This is what we want to do. This 6% is going to get added on. And when I draw that line out here, it's 100% plus the 6%, which really is 106%. That represents his new salary with that increase, with that raise. So I'm going to use that percent. And if I use that as my percent, the multiplier here is 1.06. 1 for the 100%, 0.06 for the 6%. If I use that multiplier times 60,000, it brings me directly to the 63,600 that we got when we used the 6% and added that on to the 100%. So this does it all in one step. We don't have that extra step of adding on the 6%. We get the same result. Either way, you do not have to do both ways, but you need to be aware of both. Whichever strategy works best for you is fine. The new salary will be $63,600.